Okay, so before we get into the actual training, I'd like to take a few minutes just to talk about how this system actually works. This is affiliate marketing, and if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, what it is that a company has software or tools. We're going to show people how to use those software and tools because we're doing that when those people sign up to use that product or those products. The company is going to pay you a commission for bringing that traffic to them and those customers. So the keystone to this whole system is the funnel software that we're going to be using, and it's $97 a month, the base program, and the company is willing to pay you 40% affiliate commission, which is about $38.80 a month. Now, again, there's potential to earn more as your customers upgrade with additional products or services that funnel software provides. And the same thing applies with the email software. You know, the base is $19 a month. The company's willing to pay you 30% affiliate commission for each customer that you bring to them. And this can also grow exponentially as their email list grows. So, what does that mean for you? It means more money monthly. The tracking software, again, it's $17 a month. You get 100% commission the first month for each customer that you bring to them. And again, there's potential there for that to grow as the customers upgrade. With as their needs increase, they're going to require additional products and services from these companies. The traffic software, the company is willing to pay you 15% of the ad spend of your affiliates. And again, as their business grows, their needs are going to grow. And so there's potential there for your commissions to grow along with that. Uh, Total commissions per person, as you can see here, um, you get the total commissions per person you bring into the system is about $60.45. May not seem like a lot at first, but again, over time, it starts to grow. And again, you have to remember this is passive residual income, and it'll continue to keep coming in as long as those affiliates stay engaged with the products and software. Um, so at one person, you've got $60.45 a month. If you get 10 people using the products and services, you've got $604.50 a month. And if you can get up to 100, you've got $6,045 a month. And again, that's going to be passive residual income that continues to come in month after month. You build it once and you don't have to get up and go do it again. You just start expanding on that. And it's also important to know that three of the softwares that we're using come with a 14-day free trial, and the email software comes with a 30-day trial. And since ClickFunnels is a two-tier affiliate program, you also get 5% off or I shouldn't say off, but you get 5% from your affiliates. So for example, if you have 100 affiliates on the $97 a month base plan, you'll be making $3,800 a month. And if each one of those brought in 100 affiliates, you'd get an additional 5% from those affiliates. So 100 times 100 equals 10,000 people at 400 or $4.85 a month. That's an additional 48,500 per month. Also, after 100 ClickFunnels affiliate sales, if you can achieve that level, the company is willing to reward you with $500 a month towards a car. Basically, unless you're buying something that's really extravagant, $500 a month is going to be a free car. If you get to 200 affiliates a month, they'll give you $1,000. So really, whatever you can imagine driving, you can earn it through this company. So before we get on to the so now that you know how the system works, let's get into the training.